Hello, in this video we're going to teach you how to use data validation in Excel. So what is data validation in Excel? Data validation, it is the process of forcing the user only to enter values according to the specification specified by the Excel sheet. For instance, here we have the grades of the students. They should be between 0 and 20. But here if I enter, for instance, 300, it will take it. So how to prevent such things? First, we can select the cell, go to data, and then we go to data validation. Here in data validation, we have to specify the settings. In the settings, we want them to be between 0 and 20. As you can see, we have a lot of criteria here, but here for this example, we're going to use the whole number. Then, of course, we have to give the user a message to know what he's gonna do when he enters into the cell. Please enter a grade between 0 and 20. And in case he doesn't enter a value between 0 and 20, we want to give him a message as an error. You can copy this more, put it here with like this. Okay. Now, whenever the user enters into a cell, he will get this message. And if he enters something wrong, we'll give him the error message that we have entered inside the validation. Retry. So let's give it 5, and it is good. Now what happens here is that I only applied it on this cell. So to facilitate things more, I should have selected all of these, then go to the validation and put the values here, 0, 20. Hope I have the message. Yes, it is here. Info, alert, error, and the info, the error message here. Okay. Now, here it is 400 previously because we have entered 400. Now, if I enter 5, it's good. If I enter now, it will not accept it. So here for rows, it says please enter a grade between 0 and 20. I will enter 50, will not get it. Now if I enter 12, it will take it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.